Hear my compressor revving up. It's not staying on. It's still doing the same thing, only when supercharging. This is supercharge number 2407. They told me to use this report bug feature. You basically push on here, voice command, and you say, report bug. And it says, thank you for the feedback. Okay, so it somehow logs it. You see I got condensation in the windows already because it's not working right. And I'm gonna have to just keep doing that so that the logs can be stored. And they apparently get something. Oh, it's starting up at this time. See, it's actually started running again today, but not always. But they must have some kind of error on the back end, is what I'm thinking. Something's not quite right. And it just shut off again. So like I said, the last couple times it's been supercharging. It's been doing this every single time. It has nothing to do with the climate being on or off that I've been able to tell. Because I turned the climate off and it still was doing it because it needed that to cool the battery pack. Here we go again. It's staying on this time. Let's hope it just stays on for the rest of this session. No, it just shut off again. It's staying on again. Let's hope it stays. No, it didn't stay on. Something to keep in mind with this issue too is that my air conditioner seems to work fine when I'm not supercharging. Although it does seem to make a little bit weird noises, nothing like it's doing now. My feeling is that the noises aren't quite the same as they used to be, but it's functionally correct. It doesn't shut on and off like it's doing now. Only when supercharging it does this. And only right after supercharging does it give me a problem until the battery apparently cools down after supercharging, and I have no way to gauge the battery temperature with what goes on with the Tesla software. And we're back on again. Hope it stays on. It's been on for longer. It sounds like it's really cooling. We're at 61 kilowatts of charge rate. But it seems like it's really working now, which is good. I was concerned that we were going to have a breakdown. I'm still concerned about that.